Hey guys, so here's the problem. I have this really, it's like 11 inches or 10 inches in width. A chop saw gives me like 6.5, 7 inches. So what I've done is rip a piece of this plywood. It's 55 inches. I'm gonna add this to my sled temporarily and put a stop block on it because I need these pieces to be exactly 37.5 inches. I've already marked one square side and that's what we're gonna do. So stick around, let's do this.
Here I'm just measuring from the blade slot to the measurement I need. Let me know later in the video if you can see my mistake. Here I'm just double checking the measurement before I put the stop block on. You know, while I'm editing this, why didn't I just put it up on its edge so it's easier to measure and mark? Hindsight's always 20/20, right? These sleds work a lot better if you clean the sawdust off your table saw before you use them. I'm going to let this play in the background where I'm just going to square off one end and then run that against the stop block and get my exact length cut. Now, kind of like what I did in last week's video where I made my own hand tool with reclaimed planer blades and the lathe. If you haven't checked that out, I'll put a link up. But I would make my sled deeper. I've had this for a few years, but it would really help if it was bigger. Another thing I would do is have a slot ran through that board so that I could possibly adjust that stop block at any time. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe. In the comments, let me know if you have any questions that I can help you with. Thanks.